have the 2-hour lectures in the morning with a little break in the middle, and then we separate into groups of 10 or 15 people, and we have our tutorials with our tutorial leaders, who are the main lecturers in the FIT program, and they're there to sort of guide you through the FIT program and have any questions or answer any questions that you have, and just start a debate and make sure you understand the text so you can have that conversation about it and debate it.
You have unparalleled access to your tutor, who really, in some cases, quite literally wrote the book on the things that you're studying. And having that access to someone, it means you're never at a loss for an idea of what to write about, or you feel like you're stuck because you have someone with so much information easily accessible. So I thought King's was going to be or the foundation was going to be a lot more stressful than it turned out being.
What I think is most interesting about writing those papers is how different everybody's process is. Like for me, I would have to start the paper the day I got it. I had a whole schedule. The first day, I'd pick out my question. And then that weekend, I'd write an outline. And then the Tuesday that we had off, I'd find all my quotes. And then the next few days, I'd write it. But I knew some people who would just take like the Saturday and Sunday before and write the whole thing, which I think that just blows my mind. So yeah, the writing itself, it was daunting at first because FIP essays are kind of their own beast, which is something that you hear a lot in the beginning. But you do catch on fast, and the professors do offer a lot of good advice, and you go in after you write your first one and have like a one-on-one meeting and learn about what you can do better. So it's all very, there's lots of supports.